Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, so we'll continue the journey. So this is part 2 of the 5-part series of Queen Ifrica, this in Vybz Kartel fiance, the white woman from Turkey. Yes, although, well, you don't even Arabs are not white people, so, but everybody wants to be white because everybody wants to be known as the foundation of terrorism, because if you know your history, you will know so the real and the original terrorists are the Europeans. They are the ones that go around the world and murdered, rape, pillage, everything that is evil. So that's how, and we can see that even Vybz Kartel, he may not do anything for be white. So this is part 2. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. So you're going to listen to Queen Ifrica. Is that the old people them? Because you start advertisement will come on the TV. Someone want to know. Well, as a youth back then, I can vividly remember a part of them advertisement, the GLP advertisement, where it said deliverance is near, because the Jamaican people were in bondage. So that was echo. Stand up Jamaica when you hear the bell will serve you well. And them say, deliverance is near. So the women them in a evening time, I tell you, the women them in a evening time, we not go have tangent. We just tell you, this is history, just like how we are talking about lies. So these are lies where them feed them. So we give example. So the women them are eventide. They were singing these advertisements. 144 people. So you must remember, in 1972, Tony Spalding won the seat, but with less than 200 votes. So them old women, old people here, 144 of them, are song, are supporting the Jamaica Labour Party. That a vote. So them not kill them. So that's an example. And then they repeat it lies years. The next day, the same people them from Jonestown and Jungle, guess where they are at? I tell you, because people from in my yard, me live in as a little boy, even them, go down to Parliament. All them know if you go down to Parliament, if you demonstrate, if you say I got do it. Them tell you we're not on a telephone, we're not on a telephone or on a cell phone, All them know that. Because it was orchestrated within the community. Them left from Jonestown and then got Parliament the next day. I denounce Edward Siaga, say him do it. And say Tivoli people do it. We never have no cell phone then, or we never have no house phone. So this was a concerted effort by them, and them repeat the lies for decades. And the Labour they never push back. I saw them stay because they expect Jamaican people to be decent. Same thing in time, and I tell you, same like how when PJ Patterson get elected in 1993, I don't see I'm gonna go off him and say I'm a thief. He not do that. Too decent. Politics rumble and tumble. And the Jamaican people vote for PJ, thief in this Prime Minister ever. Not the same thief, but him cunning, because him outsmart all even Bruce Bolin. Use white people for outsmart Bruce Bolin. Because Bruce Bolin don't see himself as a black man, he see himself as white. Because he come from the south of St. Elizabeth and him half white. So he don't see himself as a black man, he see himself as white. So him have Butch Stewart and the Issa them. Them tell him say Jamaican people love him more and say I got him find him one party and them give money and this and that, everything costs money. And for 18 years the PMP them in a power. And him, I drive an old vehicle where I smoke. I mean, I have to come back to the Jamaica Labour Party. And now, I buy and buy votes and become, what I mean, I buy and buy vote and then become a leader and then the prime minister. So anytime you get something, you know, get it willingly, you have to lose it. And in my first prime minister in the history of Jamaica, for resigning a disgrace. I never deserve it. He never earned it, buy it. Just like how Baby Chum, that a Mark Golding buy the leadership for PMP. At least Anna are the rightful leader for PMP. When I ask you, I tell you. Because we talk to a youth from over Portmore. In the panel channel, yeah, we talk to him. A PMP that I see him youth where them kill Tyson for him to get the seat, and only when him come out and them think that Karen Cross and all of them people lick out and say my old deportee and drug dealer and this and that. And so the PMP couldn't give him. Yeah, it's on the channel. So we I tell you, so when you can't think, people manipulate your mind and you just keep repeating. Just like Queen Ifrica, they manipulate her and control her. Because look what they have done to her. And she still arms them up because them she love seeing me. We no love, don't get it wrong, you know. As we say, you know, one of them is just only a little bit better. And we tell you all them thing there. And we say it already and we say it again. One prime minister who have any respect for her is Edward Siaga. And we say that without any apologies. And we're born and grown in a PMP community. Tell the PMP them to convince me that it's not a criminal organization. I have never seen them promote anything to do with education or promote positivity. A PMP normalize violence and crime in my community and Jamaica. That's why everybody wants to be a bad man place. So we continue. So one of the undeniable fact that Queen Ifrica has pointed out that many Jamaicans do not love read. They don't love read, and this lack of critical engagement make it easier for them to accept and repeat lies, whatever they are told by those they trust. And it's easy for them to trust people in for them party. And you understand? Like me, you know, nobody can. I don't hold no bars in a guy. Yeah, just let me not hold no bars. Me not be holding to no guy. So even when those sources feed them lies, this is a serious issue that affects our society's ability to think independently and question the narrative that are presented to us. Queen Ifrica contradiction supporting those who marginalize her. That's only shows a boy, she not really dead. It's deeply troubling to see when Queen Ifrica, who once faced marginalization at the hands of the PMP criminal organization, now coming to their defense. Let's not forget that this is the same organization that under the influence of former Minister of Justice, former Minister of Culture, Youth and all of these things, Lisa Anna, spread damaging propaganda against her, labeling her as anti-establishment and homophobic. And this type being sidelined and vilified by these very forces, Queen Ifrica has inexplicably aligned herself with them once again. Me no align myself with none of them and them things. I just saw me stay. You understand? The reason why you can't ever hear me defend the PMP, me can't. It don't make sense. It don't make sense. You give me, you give me food and then you give me a gun for go kill somebody for me get a next meal. Me no know that. Give me the book. Me don't want a gun. This raises a fundamental question. Why would someone defend those who wrong them? It's just a lack of critical thinking, a problem for Queen Ifrica and many who follow her lead. This unthinking loyalty to political organizations that have caused harm only perpetuate a cycle of manipulation and misinformation. But so many Jamaicans are willing to repeat what they hear without questioning it. It's indicating that we must foster a culture of reading, learning and critical thinking. We must now allow ourselves to be not to be easily swayed by those in power or those with agendas. Instead, we should encourage each other to seek the truth, question everything and form opinions based on fact rather than propaganda. And we have to break the cycle as Jamaicans. So we are making you listen to Queen Ifrica. Yeah, we know say we are chat long on them thing. But as we say over here, son up, we in an entertainment thing. Because entertainment, all it do is entertain you. We want to change people's mind. We want to educate you, empower you, so you can aspire to be a better self. Yeah, I just saw it go on them thing. And we can't stop chat because we have, we love read. I just say it go.
Governor rule over Jamaica down here like kingdom, and Jamaica people have to go pack up and be slave to them. When we did help everybody where did come along, we are going to really sit down and come back, come turn slave. Or we are going to take to the streets and really organize a proper Jamaican protest. A protest with us walking through the streets of Jamaica with the placards in the air say, yes, we are here and we are real. We are going to sit down and make them take away from you. Because a Queen Ifrica, we don't have a talk for you. And me, I shouldn't say I don't want to be one goddess. And spice them, we sell them blood clot soul. When then they come stand up to come talk for Jamaican girls, we are whore now. Prostitute, lesbian, have no morals, stinking, dirty, valiant them. And the new blood clot role model them, we are shub up anywhere they can find hole. Pan them, all you valiant, we come go on, like I say, them training, you never get enough training, you can't be no mole boy, move your blood clot like a youth and come out with foot, come sit down, I could teach you how to love Jamaica. If a Jamaica you really want to love, then come power you up and come tell you, say if you come, well, come Babsy Grails and stop you in your tracks and tell you, say them things that we are said to black Jamaican girls is not accepted as the culture minister of gender and blood clot, all of these beautiful portfolios that them have. How she not dry you up? You're dead about your lick down tough and it 2 hours no go in a hospital and take picture. Moving up pussy hole and love Jamaica people now. And that we are say. And that we are say. You know King and Rasta House, Jamaica people, let me tell you something. Rasta House responsible for enough of the fuck we are going in the leaders. So you see the leaders them in the maroon communities, all of the maroon them. All of the maroon them. When no say them leaders them are sell out. Why you not sit down so quiet and not say nothing? Cause you not benefit from the light too. And the maroon them govern everything, boy. Them a police, them a soldier, them a hospital, them a nurse, them a teacher, them a everything, and them sit down in front way. Where them sit down in front way I do? Why we country stay how it stays so? Why we the real people them we're supposed to benefit, but everybody else a drive around in a big vehicle and big blood clot everything. Why our thing look so? Vibes Cartel. They no want to let you go. The only way you get let go is if you talk about the cotton tree down at Trelawney town and come back on the side of Jamaican people. Because you get rebellious, make they no want blood clot free you up. You're too rebellious. All who can come back to Jamaica who know say I run where they run on the down and know say they can't kill you when you reach. Jamaica need you down here. Jamaica need you down here. Jamaica need you because a system them set up over we. All the weather them infiltrate. Fi drown off who them want fi drown off. And you go here say this big flood come down here and one whole section of Jamaica drown off. A God did see with you. And the creator we did farm alliance with. Directly with the creator. How we turn from God, Jamaica people? How we turn from God and have these whole heap of Saddam a deal with the thing? And have we silent under silent food? We not go stay under silent food, Jamaica people. We not go get up and stand up and we not have to burn down no way. We not have to blood clot do no farm have nothing where to make them shoot we and kill we on sight. We can stand up in a one unity. Who fi flying from anywhere them fi flying from around the world. One solidarity around we ancestors them blood we shed for we down here. And make them know so we exist. And then can't use no needs to subdue we. All of what you see Darrell Vaz I do about him a lockdown shared transportate. I search for you no cause we now blood clot up on them system. They come with the COVID we hide from them. They know them a come with needs cause they want to find we the original people where they are. We fi stop hide cause if you notice me not hide no more cause me a no slave. Me never come here as no slave. A free somebody me come here as. So me I telling you this because yes, me did invest the whole of me in it for true. I mean I go sit down and watch no kingdom set up round and no talk the raw plain truth. So when time me done do this, who did I have ears and I hear this? Can go look for yourself now and look where everybody do. L.A. Lewis, you need to come a court. And stop fraudulent Jamaica people and you will allow now and make millions. Come talk the truth then if you know it. Come talk the truth then. All who say them know the truth and operate around the truth where them say them know. How come Jamaica people not a part of that truth? How come the real Jamaicans are not a part of that truth though? Why you not support Flagstaff, Trelawney Town, Maroons? Because they are linked to the original people. That's why. Is it because they are the original people? Is it because they are the ones that they had to come to the cotton tree to sign peace with? Is it? Or me talk foolishness? Well, make we come together and put it together in a context then, because I need to go in a context. Everybody they are busy and do their own thing. We need to put it in a context. So come, let's go. Me need to learn, you need to learn, all of we need to learn. Who? What is the truth about Jamaica? Why is Russia in the Caribbean? Andre Stevens, me send you some private text. And me tell you, say, me want to forgive you, but me can't forgive you because me see say you have beer hidden line up around your same way. Are you going to come and tell people the real truth about who they are, Andre Stevens, or are you going to continue to be a mole for the system? All of who you see, Ratigana, Radigana, where name over this, and Isaac Buchanan, all of them are mole. At the gay agenda, them line up for push pound. Nadine Spence, nothing depend the reconstitution committee. Nadine Spence, no go look her up. She no fit depend the reconstitution committee, cause we know we fear agenda there. So why couldn't not come to Jamaica people with the referendum and make we choose how we want our country run? We used to run the country ourselves. We ask Alex Muir, our name. We need the real conversation to start. Every tree have a root. And the root when me talk about today at Flagstaff, Trelawney Town. Queen Mother said that. Officially appointed Queen Mother of the Trelawney Town Maroons. There is such a thing as the Queen Mother of all Maroons. Queen Ifrica was appointed, said, Mama G, we then give Gammon. Me want to tell the international Maroon community say she is no longer no Gammon officially. No more Gammon because she falls. We need to know about the gay community where that bill round a Portland underneath the Maroon banner. And them think that we need somebody to come tell me about. Who sanctioned the gay community where that bill round a Portland? Who sanctioned it? We have a lot of questions to ask. I mean now sit down and make Jamaica people sitting just go down so. So me I tell you now, you know say me normal today. Watch me every day after today. Because the jig is up. And the whole way I use social media to express myself. Watch a vlogger them, watch a blood clot blogger them. You know see what they do over TikTok. You know see a TikTok them I use to raise the children them in the ghetto them. A TikTok them I use to raise our children. All kind of culprit line up over TikTok and take what we picnic them. Because the guard that we used to set up over our country and over our culture, then kill it and move it. That's why they well want me mad so and go one side so. Because they know say the truth lie within Queen Ifrica. All Maroon communities, pay attention to the leaders them. They are selling you guys out to the system. And it's planning to rule over you like kings. What are we going to do about it? Is there really no defense for Jamaican people? TVJ and CVM, you notice all of a sudden two of them are war now because it look like Labour Right won CVM and it look like some, the gay community won TVJ. So them want to tell them get valiant now if you come tell a little pity them say what CVM man carry people them true people them didn't loyal to TVJ they don't really want to switch from TVJ so them a keep it loyal so them a get valiant now if you move the traffic over to CVM. Because them a left the whole Jamaica. The old Jamaica, they leaving the old Jamaica behind, as we Andrew Holness say. And they building a new Jamaica. That's why you see all of them fuck with their normal man international airport as we official entrance to the country like that. Because them a switch everything grown at Portland now. We are around the so at the airport are gonna be the airport of at the first airport, and Montego Bay are gonna be the second one, and the one we connect closest to Jamaican people are gonna become the wholest and most mashed down. That of all the artists them for them thief, or all the people them for them thief sitting from a skilly bang blood clot things. I wanna go Jamaica people no thief. That's the first thing. Real official original Jamaican no thief. We no thief. We don't do thieving. So who them they don't have in at the airport at thief skilly bang blood clot jewelry and want to blame it on Jamaican. My heart full. Because I sit down and watch Jamaica people are dead out by food, are dead out by culture, them are dead physically and them are dead mentally. And everybody sit down and watch. Because when all is said and done, the bumbo-clad white woman they were then have full up the ghetto them and the preacher them a preach to black woman, all your vibes cartel, make sure say you know this shorty, you know, and the white woman they were come parade, they come talk about your wife. Out of Jamaica, everything have to establish from so if it look authentic, the most important one of our artists, them vibes cartel must be with a white woman and disrespect shorty. We stand upside him all these blood clot times in our roughest days them. A shorty at the beach and this white woman I come go on like she a princess. That the culture where them want come shape. Because as when me tell you know, all cultures shape out of Jamaica. All cultures of the world, all governments of the world farm and pattern off of how. That's why the thing look how it look now, because them are wait to see what go happen when the next election call, to see how we are going to angle it and who are going to lead. If Jamaican people, me not talk every Jamaican, me talk Nayenke Pong Jamaican, original Jamaican where they live upon Iraq. If you no continue to give you no consent to these motherfuckers, I be a strangers I go live in a Jamaica. I be a stranger there right now as it speak. Cause sometimes you know half a tree, I mean don't know half of who me see in a blood clot half a tree. The whole of these people sell you out. Then come and talk about them love you. Then talk about, oh yeah man, me a Jamaican, all of a sudden now everybody a Jamaican. Everybody a oh, me love Jamaica, I'm Jamaican, my mother, oh, where you come from? Oh, my mother is from Korea and my father is from Ireland, but I was born in Jamaica. You're not Jamaican. Just like America. You have to be true blood. And that I go on with Andrew them and mark them. So when time mark renounce England, then can get Jamaica to do as where they want with it. To set up them new world order and then anything goes, and you know some talk about sex registry. Them busy I work out our blood clot constitution without our knowledge or input. Without our knowledge or input, we are going to wake up to a brand new constitution when it have nothing to do with the culture or who we are as a people. Because you know, so the populace is uneducated. Because, and not because they wanted to be uneducated, but because they were forced to be uneducated so that they wouldn't come across them the truth about themselves. No time. Jamaica people need help. I'm asking foreigners out there who can make a difference in terms of speaking up on behalf of the genocide happening down here. They are allowing Jamaicans to kill off themselves in a road accident, in a domestic, in a community, and none of them can come up with no initiative to stop it. But everybody will go ahead and plan their kingdom. Everybody will go ahead and work out everything with suit them. The Africans, them, they here come for them people, them a keep maroon meeting with Beckles them, and they're all wanting to get the, but no one want to talk about the first people, because the first people are the ones who are the true heir to anything when name development on this island. The red, black and gold, the yellow, black and gold people. Go back and go listen to we pledge. Go listen what we pledge say before God and all mankind. How we advance the whole entire world. How where we do the world fella. Is where Jamaica do the world follow. So now them a set it up that the world a go follow. We do sodomism, follow we turn alcoholic, follow we turn war, follow we turn lesbian, follow we turn batty boy, follow we turn everything when I have nothing to do with God. And that we are going to teach the world to do now. That's why they send blood clot, Shensia. You know, they even send spice. Then send Shensia go Africa. Because I don't really spice them one, because spice are really Jamaican woman with a little Nigerian in her blood. There is such a thing as Jamaica. There is such a thing as Jamaican culture. There is such a thing as Jamaican people who were not slaves, who are true independent people, come from God direct. Africa, you know the truth. You know say slavery never begin upon the transatlantic slave trade, Africa. Jamaica need you back now, Africa, to come tell us, the people of Jamaica, say what she's saying is true. The Jamaicans helped the black 9 pound maroon melanated people where did they here, Mansa Musa people them, where did they here before slavery, helped our black brothers that came along on the transatlantic slave ship where Kabu and Muta them are trying to make a money off of now. And that's why they don't want to win the conversation, because me a Jamaican woman, no pussy wall can get me to wear no hijab or wear not when me no want to wear. Me born with free will. Me born with free will. So you did have people where them send people from Ireland come here as slave. As some Mark Golding in a prona Trelawney with female mother. Saying them send people from England come here as slave. You didn't know that? Windrush? Yeah, man. Black people used to rule England as kings and queens. So some of them that came to Jamaica came as captives to these people. Yeah, I see. So they all came to the shores. And they had to deal with us when they came. The whole island did secure. 4 corners of the island. We had the most amazing, as you hear the one Alex say. We don't need to ask him the real questions them when him surface, because me a burn him know why me a burn him. You see me? I love same way, but me have to talk the truth. All of the sellout maroon them to come talk the truth and make we save Jamaica. And make all the negotiations we make on behalf of Jamaica people. How about that? What wrong with that? The whole of them want to come make a money off of uno. And sell back uno culture to uno. Babsy Grace them sell we culture to Adidas them. And Adidas then come back and sell it back to we. And we say, yeah, that's my culture. Whoa, Adidas endorse us. It's so nice. And we supposed to make our own gears, and Adidas come negotiate with me as to what amount of shares them want. And make all resources come back to the island. But because the Jamaica people are going to benefit, everybody can just come sell peace. Oh, me have a tribe around here, so oh, me is from this tribe. Oh, me is from, you hear PJ Patterson say, you think I joke make them go for him? PJ Patterson say, instead of trying to set up tribes around Jamaica, it's the unity that will work. What you think PJ, big head PJ Patterson I say? What you think him I say? The tribe thing where everybody wants to set up them tribe and rule over Jamaica, and it not gonna work, because any day Jamaica can pick up on it and revolt down here. Any of Jamaica people find out a war down here. So nobody no want telling the truth about themselves. And because most of them move and go in a diaspora now, mostly America and Canada. And that's why them a deal with so over there now. So you know over there, I look on down here and I endorse the vloggers them and the bloggers them where the system plant on internet figure against phone culture. You can't go and sow into them. And find the real vlogger them and the real blogger them. We are telling the truth about themselves. Why can think me call Bunty them name and the whole of them name so much? Because they are the ones that stand in front of Jamaica people and let in everybody else pound. Me hear Vibes Cartel put up something say my maroon blood. If you tell the people what kind of maroon blood him be, is he a 9 kepong maroon blood or him come from a compound? I mean I go say this without water in my mouth. And not to the people of a compound, but to the leaders of the compound community who know a fraud against Jamaica people and who fi come a court, come tell the truth to Jamaica people. Say who not gonna be the ones them with the new whip them over them back down here. Me beg you say let me in the conversation cause me I represent for one set of people we are alive. No one no. Where Queen Ifrica go. Every time me go the maroon celebration run a compound. Why no let Ifrica round here for? Me go round there so. Why no make Ifrica come here for? Why me no fi there? Why me no fi there? Because how me I say? Because me I tell you so no fi left Jamaica people alone because I will no set up kingdom around Jamaica people and I go on like another tornado and I turn the whole place in a slave and kill off the whole of the youth them out of the inner city, the true ears, the true men them where the whole of we come together and go develop and help them to see who them be and know who them be. We no set them against themselves, to kill out themselves and then put some white girl in there, to breed them up, to take with them, to take with lineage, to care back to feed them country them. Because black woman no worthy no more because Valiant them say all he want her do a hope up making dig her out. Black woman nah no value all no pussy wall artist woman. We sit down on the Jada kingdoms and all of you we are preach lesbianism and suckudism and all of the nastiness them to the young impressionable girls and who know the system and who know flow them.
Yeah, so we have come to the end of part 2 of this 5-part series. Hope you enjoy, listening what Queen Ifrica is saying. Whether if you it all depends on how you view it. But as we said, even a fool you learn from. You understand? And even people who have Stockholm syndrome. Stockholm syndrome are people who love and hug up them the person who abused them. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. So part 3 will be coming up shortly. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.